Hey, it's Xavier here from Tameron Hyundai. Thank you for your inquiry on the 2020 Hyundai Sonata. You see I have one right behind me in a beautiful red color. It's a beautiful vehicle. Let's take a look at it. It's going to feature our signature honeycomb grille. Also going to come with beautiful LED daytime running lights, LED wraparound headlights, premium alloy wheels, tons of our safety features like blind spot detection and lane keep assist. Follow me, I'll show you inside. Now this vehicle is going to feature a dual leather and cloth interior. Also going to come with a 12-inch screen with navigation, Apple Android CarPlay, backup cam, Bluetooth controls at the touch of your fingertips, heated seats, wireless phone charging pad. But that's not the best part about it. The best part about this vehicle is going to be the warranty. We have a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty, as well as a 20-year, 200,000-mile powertrain warranty exclusively here at Tameron. So if you would give me a call, my name is Xavier. My number is 205-886-0890. You're going to love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai.